When you see the word similar, you write a proportion. Do not start writing out the formulas for volume. When you see the similar symbol, we immediately go to a proportion. So look for a corresponding ratio here, and you can probably tell easily that the corresponding ratio is the 15 and the 12. So let's write them as a ratio on the left, 15 over 12. You don't have to reduce this to lowest terms, but it'll make your computations a little easier. So you can leave it as 15 over 12, or you can reduce this to a fraction of lowest terms. Now, on the other side, that's where we're going to use the volume. They're asking about the volume of this one, and they gave us the volume of this one. Since we had 15 on top, we'll have its volume on top on this side. And that corresponds to the little guy's volume. So the big guy's height corresponds to the little guy's height, 15 and 12, just as the big guy's volume corresponds to the little guy's volume. And that's what we're going to find. All right, last thing before we complete this problem. The units on this side are cubic inches. The 240, you can see it's three-dimensional. It's volume, cubic inches. And so the volume for the little guy will also be cubic inches. Right now, these numbers are just inches, and they need to match. So since these are cubic inches, we're going to cube these values over here. Doesn't matter which one of these we do. And now we can cross multiply. And that gives us 122.88, choice A. And we'll get the same answer if we solve this one for V, 122.88.